Alright, so I just got a new bike. I got parts for it, so let's put them on. So that's my bike. I know it's hard to see, you're on the tripod. Yeah. So I have my old parts and I got some new ones. I got this that goes on the handlebars, lights. Had to order a new seat post because that one sucks. And my seat. So why did I say that seat sucks? Well, first off, I don't think your seat's supposed to do that when you're riding it. Just an assumption. So this right here, that can go. So we can put the new one on. I'm gonna make sure this post will fit. And it doesn't. Well, we can get the other parts on today. Oh, I also have a bike lock for when I ride my bike to school, but I'm not going to be putting that on today. So this is going to be the shortest video ever. And I am considering getting more parts. Because I just don't like keeping things how they're supposed to be. That's no fun. So there's that thing. Pretty self-explanatory on what it does. And then I can't put the backlight on today because that goes on the seat, and you guys just seen what happened with the seat. So this is gonna go on this side and sit just like that. No seat, no ride. I mean, I could put the backlight on just so I don't lose it. But now I gotta go find a new seat post. Or I might just, take this one and cut this right here and then tighten this out so I can get my seat on it instead of this thing that's falling apart. But okay, we might be onto something. We might just be onto something. And then all of these come apart. So we're left with this. That's chipping the concrete. So, I don't know. I want to ride it, but that seat's just too uncomfortable to ride it. But we got more parts. I'm not gonna tell you what they are. And I'm only not gonna tell you what they are, so you'll come back and see what they are. Because I'm sure nobody out there is wondering. But I'm just gonna put some of these parts back together and go enjoy my Memorial weekend. Hope you guys, there's gonna be shorts. I can 100% guarantee that. There might be some full videos too, like this one. I just don't know. It depends on what I'm doing. I say that a lot because I never know what I'm doing. For some reason. But I think if I cut it right here, I can, I don't know, maybe have my dad take a hammer to it, or I'll take a hammer to it, just to see if I can get it to work. Because none of the seat posts I've tried fit like right up right there where the seat's supposed to go. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. Bye.